Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce pasta at home. First, gather your ingredients: 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Having everything at room temperature helps prevent the sauce from breaking. You'll also need a large skillet and a whisk to bring this creamy dish to life. While your pasta cooks to al dente, let's start the sauce. In a large skillet, melt half a cup of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Once melted, slowly whisk in 1 cup of heavy cream. Keep stirring gently for about 2 minutes, allowing the cream to warm through without boiling. This careful heating is key to a smooth, rich sauce. Now for the magic. Gradually add 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese to your warm cream mixture. Whisk continuously until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce begins to thicken beautifully. This process should take just a few minutes. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Remember, fresh Parmesan makes a huge difference. Finally, drain your al dente pasta and immediately add it directly into the skillet with your creamy Alfredo sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure every strand is perfectly coated. Serve hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or more Parmesan. For more great tips and deals, including a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade Alfredo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.